All right, so these are just my saltines. Now we're gonna go ahead and move over to the stove where I have my sticks of butter waiting for me. We're gonna do 2 sticks of butter. Lower that heat a little bit. And then 1 cup of brown sugar. Grab a whisk. So what we're making here is like a toffee caramel that's gonna go right on top of those saltines that we laid so beautifully on our sheet pan. Okay, just let that butter melt. See how it's already combining so nicely with that brown sugar?
Smells delicious.
Yeah, nothing better than some sugar and butter. All right, this is what you want it to look like. Let's go ahead and get ready to put this on our saltines. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and just drizzle that right on top. And it's okay if it doesn't fill up the whole crackers, because when you put this in the oven, it's all gonna spread and cover those saltines. Okay, just kind of give it a nice little shimmy. Doesn't need to be perfect. That should do just fine. So I have my oven set to 325 and it's gonna be in there for just 3 minutes. Okay, so we actually had this in there for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna grab our milk chocolate chips and we're just gonna sprinkle them right on top of that caramel, just like this. We want a good amount. We're probably gonna use like the whole bag actually, because the more chocolate the better, am I right?
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Okay. Make sure none of these escape. Now this is gonna go back in the oven for 1 minute. Super quick. Okay, those were in for like just a minute. Now we're gonna grab our spatula. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of Pam. And we're just gonna spread those chocolate chips. Would you look at that? This is gonna be so good. Okay, just quickly spread it before they start hardening from edge to edge. That's why we needed all of that chocolate on there. This is gonna be so good.
It almost looked like they weren't melted until you started spreading it.
I know, that's what's so crazy about this recipe. You really never know when it's ready. You just gotta guesstimate.
It looks so good.
Just give it a nice, beautiful spread. I think this bottom area needs to be spreaded a little bit better. Oh, the salty and the chocolate's gonna be so good. Okay. Now I do want these to be a little festive for the holiday. So I have my M&M eggs right here, the Easter ones. And we're just gonna kind of sprinkle them right in, just like this.
Oh, that's so cool. It's so colorful.
Yeah, these colors are so pretty, and this is just gonna add like that perfect touch to our Easter candy. That is it. We're gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we're gonna have the best Easter candy. Okay, look at this. It is ready. I love doing this on foil because look, my pan's still clean. Woo. There we go. Just needed a knife. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Look at that. That looks so good. Oh my, I'm so excited to try this. Just needed a knife. All right, get a few slices. Right, look at this beautiful candy, Easter candy. Let's go ahead and try this out. I cannot wait any longer. Oh my gosh. That is really good, you guys.